custom GPT is like an app that's tuned to a specific task and built on top of ChatGPT. So the library of custom GPTs is huge, like 150,000 and more. It's growing fast. Anybody who has a subscription to ChatGPT can publish one. And you'll find everything from language tools or writing tools to coding tutors to recipe aids to even making your own horoscope. That's actually the number one that most people use. But actually, there's loads specifically geared towards education, GPTs for writing grants, writing code, getting help with Excel or maths, helping to write research papers, dealing with referee reports, all these sorts of things. Just search what fits your lifestyle or your workflow, and yeah, just try them out. But the thing is that they are a little bit hit and miss. Some aren't very good, so you should test them before you try. See how many other people are using them. That's a good indication. Anyway, in the full video, I show you how to use an Excel AI video for taking a mathematical formula from a PDF file, putting it into an Excel spreadsheet, and then generating some really nice graphs. Quite cool. There's no need for any code. You just tell the GPT what to do in English. Okay, so click the link below for the full video, part 3 of lecture 3, context engineering with ChatGPT, or even there's another link there to the entire playlist, the No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI.